Infrared guns have been around for a long time. Hopefully seen and or used one of the infrared temperature guns that are out there. Contractors that have discovered and used them have found out how much time and energy they can save. You can take your temperatures remotely by pointing at an object, pulling the trigger, and reading your temperature. One of the advantages is you can remotely get the temperature without getting up against a pipe. You don't have to climb up to the unit. You can take your grill temperatures without having to climb up a long ladder. If you don't have one, for a couple $100, you can get one and save yourself a lot of time and energy and be more efficient at your job. Infrared guns are great at doing their job, but there are some things they don't do very well. If you look at how infrared guns work, they read surface temperature remotely. So if you need to read a temperature on a flat surface remotely, infrared is the way to go. What to do if you don't have a flat surface to work with. Imagine if you needed to read the temperature of a sensor in a well. How would you do that? Well, with Stromquist Company, we came up with an idea to work with the Testo infrared gun. With all the Testos, they feature a K thermocouple plug on the bottom. In my hands, I'm holding an optional K thermocouple with a bulb tip on it for reading your well sensors that can be hooked in to the bottom of the Testo unit. Insert this into a well to remotely read the water temperature. So what would you do if you were in the field and had to read pipe temperature? You had a Testo instrument and you were talking to Stromquist Company. We would recommend a K thermocouple clamp-on. Plugs right into the bottom, has a cool clamp to clamp on and give you your readings directly off the pipe. Most of you know that this is a Pete's plug, which you will see on out in the field on most startup applications. What would you do if you wanted to read your temperature there? With the Stromquist accessory, insert your adapter, which also has a K thermocouple plug. Insert that into the Testo infrared, and you now digital temperature reading of the water through your Pete's plug. So what makes this really cool, K thermocouple, your surface temperature, and the versatility of digitally measuring your Pete's plug, your well adapter, as well as your clamp-on meter. For more information on these products, contact Stromquist.